If you believe in yourself, the world believe in you. Hey everyone, this is Sneha and this is the day 8 Learn English with me. And today I want to talk about the topic is my English speaking journey. So let's start it. I know about that. I'm not perfect in English. I am trying just like you. So if you also want to improve your English, so become the part of this journey. Okay. So first of all, I just take this topic because I I done one mistakes in the past. I think you cannot do this. Okay. So first mistake is that ki some month ago I was unable to speak English. I was unable to speak English. I was unable to understand the English. But you know what? I started my practice. I started my practice and I improved the English. Mm, I improving my English. I was improving my English at that time, but in the 1 month my English is okay, but I speak it some sentences and just speak daily sentences in normal daily life. But after that after that I just skipped my practice. I didn't do any practice just 1 month. After the 1 month, so you know what, after math what's the had happened that's happened is I am forgetting everything and I did not remember the I did not remember anything, and the English sentences were not coming in my mind at that time. So I started again. I think I want to practice more. I want to do practice more in the English, and I think in this journey I want to start it again the practice in English, because if I cannot practice it, so I think not improve my English. Okay, so I started the practice in English, but the important is that you know what, I am also feel scared just like you. I'm also I'm also feels shy, but you know what, then I realized that the broken English is better than silence. So that's a very impactful sentence if you listen it, because I just say the one line that's if I can do it, so you can do it too. And speak today, improve tomorrow, and follow the consistency. Don't break the consistency, because if you follow the consistency, so consistency definitely will help you. If you want to give any suggestion for me to improve my videos, to improve my anything, and you feel free to write in the comment section, and that this comment is very helpful for me, and you can any suggestion give me freely. And thank you so much for listening me.